So hello there. Good day. I'm Jonard, a native Cebuano speaker from the Philippines. I served my LDS mission for 2 years in Cebu. Half of my companions are foreigner, so it's easy for me to teach them Cebuano or Bisaya. I do speak Cebuano daily fluently. So I am also a licensed professional teacher, major in Filipino. I do have my 9 units of my master's degree of education, the same major in Filipino. I can help you learn Bisaya or Cebuano for your mission, family, or work, Filipino or Tagalog for your tourist visit or conversation, English with a clear pronunciation. Learning language is fun, patient, and easily to understand. I would love to be part of your language journey. See you in class. Thank you.